to today's Thursday business tip. So I'm Lori Jacobs with Hardworking Mom, and today I want to talk to you about marketing. So specifically marketing with Canva. So Canva is a really great marketing tool that you can use, and it has a lot of great functions. So one of the things that I like to do personally with Canva is I like to make banners. So I'll make banners for my Etsy shop, for my YouTube channel. I will make them for posts that I do on Facebook. You can make logos on Canva. You can make t-shirt designs on Canva. It's really powerful. It's a really powerful marketing graphics. No, it's really powerful for marketing graphics. It can give you professional looking results without having to pay a professional to do it. So I'm just going to kind of show you a few little things in Canva today. I use it probably almost every day. So I use it to do my Pinterest, my vertical posts in Pinterest, because you know, if you're on Pinterest, that's very important. They really like the vertical posts better because remember, you're looking at this on a mobile device. So it's kind of taking up the nice space in the vertical device, and that's why that vertical picture looks better. Okay, so on Canva, it's really easy to set up an account. It's free. Now, they do have a paid version, but they also have a free version. And there's a lot of things that you can do. As you can see here, I have used it quite a bit. Okay, these are just a little partial part of the designs that I have done in the past. So I have done designs anywhere from making myself a thumbnail on YouTube, and hey, these are very important. You want thumbnails. You want thumbnails that look good. So see, here's some of the thumbnails that I make. I've made this thumbnail, this thumbnail. This is a t-shirt design I made. This is a Facebook banner that I have made. This is a t-shirt design, This is my Wreath of the Month kit. All right, this is something for in my group. So you can see there are just all different kinds of designs. Here's an ebook cover that I made for a product that I came out with on how to start a YouTube channel. So there are just all kinds of different things that you can do. Here is something that I made to put on my OBS. So there's just endless amounts of things. And once you get in here and start getting a little bit used to Canva, you will see that it really is quite easy to do, and it's a lot of fun. So let's just take something, for example, you can do creative design, and right down here, they have tons of different options. So you can do posters, Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, logos, Facebook covers, Pinterest graphics, blog banners. I use that often. Okay, so there's invitations. Here's Instagram posts, email headers. So there's a lot of really great things that you can do on Canva, and it is a really great resource. So let's just pick one. Let's do logo, because I think a lot of people, when you're first starting out and you can't really afford to do your own logo, you can't afford to have a company do your logo, you can start off with a basic logo in order to really get yourself going. So these are kind of pre-made. So you can see they have all different kinds. I tend to like to do my own, but there are a lot of pre-made ones out here, and there's a lot of things that you can change inside these. Okay, so when you pick one of these, this little block up here allows you to change the color. You can change the color of the wording, okay? You can change the wording itself if you just click inside here. Then you can just replace the words, okay? You can change the fonts that are in here. So they have all different kinds of fonts in here that you can use. Okay. So you can see what different ones look like. All right, you can change the size of these. So it's very much like a lot of the other programs that you're using. You click in the box, you can drag from the sides, you can move it around just by holding on to it with your left mouse button. So there's a lot of things that you can do. You can also, let's see, you can also make your own. So let's just start with a background. We'll just do this background. I'm going to take these items out because I don't want them. So I'm just clicking and clicking delete. All right, so then you can click on elements. So elements is anything that you want to look at. So if I was going to do a logo with some type of wreath, I could type wreath up here in the elements. And then it's going to show me all different types of wreath designs it has in here. So if we took this, for example, that's super cute. We can just kind of move this on the page, make it larger. Okay, and then I would want to go over here and click on text. Let's add in a heading. Okay, we want to make it a little bit smaller. And then we could just call it, we're just going to put, whoops, click inside here before you make any changes. All right. We're just going to call it example. So just want to get you an idea of what it's like. You can click up here to change out the text color, so that makes it a little bit easier. And there's so many things you can change in here. So you could change the font like we talked about earlier. Okay. There we go. So there's just a ton of things that you can do. And then once you are ready and you have your design set, you just come up here and you click where it says download. And you want to, if you're going to be doing just a logo, then you can get away with a JPEG. Okay, so JPEG is like a picture format that will work fine. You can also order business cards, printed materials from Canva as well. Now, of course, you can also use Vistaprint or another one. You can use a local place. But you can click JPEG and then you just click download, and it's going to download onto the downloads folder on your computer. So you can see this is what it looks like. That's what our little logo that we just created looks like. So there's just a lot of different things you can do on here. Now, if you're going to be doing a t-shirt design, you are better off using a PNG. Now, you do have to have a pro version in order to download PNGs, but the pro version is very inexpensive. And I do suggest if you are going to make t-shirt designs in here that you use something like the PNG. So there are tons of different types of products. No, there are tons of different types of designs that you could do on Canva. Okay. So you can just do anything. See, here's print invitations. Here is print t-shirts. So you can just pick the t-shirt design over here. All right, so see how it takes this little design that you made and it puts it on a t-shirt. So if you are designing t-shirts, you can use this to see how it would look. Now, I personally, if I'm going to be doing t-shirt designs, I'm going to do my t-shirt designs on Printful or Printify or Teespring, because you can get t-shirts from there without having to purchase them ahead of time. So those are really great ones to look into. But I just think this is a great little way that you can see what it's going to look like on a t-shirt. Okay, so there's all different kinds of things you can do. You just click create a design. You can go through here and you can select the type of design that you're wanting to do. So see, they have a whole big section on marketing. You can do events, ads. There's just a ton of things that you can do in here. So let's take, for example, if you were to make an ebook. Well, you could come in here and make a really great ebook cover that you could put with your product that's going to make it look professional. It's going to make it look like a book design, and that can really help you sell your products. Okay, so having a nice professional looking design helps give a little bit of credibility to your business. It's really important when you have a business that you have things like business cards. So if you go somewhere, let's say you go to a networking event and you want to tell someone about your business, the first thing they're going to ask you is, do you have a card? So you want to keep these things in mind. And remember, you don't have to pay somebody a fortune to design that for you. You can go out to Canva and design it for yourself. Now, at some point in business, you're going to want to have one done professionally. However, in the meantime, you can start out with a really nice looking logo business card that you can design right in Canva. So I would definitely check out Canva. I will link something in the description below. And I hope this helps you. Just remember that you want your business to put out the right impression. So make sure that you are doing that you do have a professional looking business card and things like that, because those are the things that people are going to expect. All right, so if you need more help, if you want to be successful in business, make sure you check out my success path and come and join our group. It's a great group. We really have a lot of support for each other, and it really does help build your business more and really get you set on the right path and keep you on the right path. All right, I will see y'all later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.